is the entrance to our sample flat. So as soon as I open it, you see this wonderful hall. This is the family lounge, and you know what's the best thing is here you get a direct view of Aravali Hills. Like wow, this feels so luxurious, so comfy, and yeah, this is really good. So this is the beautiful luxurious clubhouse where you get.
अब करते हैं गेम प्ले बढ़िया वाला. ठीक है, ये रेड वाला मैंने आपको गोल करना है.
So for all the clients and visitors, let me tell you, here you get a special treatment as well. Hi everyone, my name is Soumya Srivastava. Welcome to Zix.com, and today I feel extremely proud to introduce you to Signature Global Dakshin Star, an integrated township that offers a world of connectivity and comfort. Just 15 minutes away from Rajiv Chowk, this township offers you a mix of residential, commercial and institutional spaces. This township is spread across 125 acres, located at the south of Gurgaon along with the Dwarka Expressway Road. One of the major key highlights of Dakshin Star is its unparalleled connectivity. It is conveniently linked by major highways such as Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, KMT Expressway and Gurugram-Sona Elevated Road. Additionally, the upcoming metro lines will make commuting more easier and breeze. So you can clearly see the inside view of Signature Global Dakshin. So yes, let me take you inside and show you what's more there. Come with me. This is a mixed-use township where you will get everything at one place, from schools to hospitals, from shopping to entertainment. It's designed to cater your everyday needs, offering a truly integrated living experience. Now let's talk about the residential offerings. Here we have the concept of Stilt Plus 4 apartments, which are fully loaded, spacious and designed with keeping comfort in mind. And you know what's the best thing is? Signature Global offers you 30 plus amenities. So what more you can ask for? Now let me take you to the 3D model of what Dakshin looks like. Come with me. Welcome to the 3D model of Dakshin. Come with me. So yes, this is what Dakshin looks like. So you are provided with two options here, 2.5 BHK flat and a 3.5 BHK flat. So yes, choice is yours, but both types of apartments are designed to provide you with the perfect lifestyle. So this is, as you can see, it is a gated township spread across 125 acres. Green space matters a lot. So here Signature Global Dakshin provides you more than 40% of green space. And as you can see, here also you get so many mini parks, and you are also getting 30 plus amenities. What more you can ask for? Because you know, when it comes to amenities, it matters the most when you are like about to invest somewhere. So yeah, this is the overall look of Signature Global Dakshin Star. So right now I'm standing at Sector 36, and as you can see here in the 3D model, this is our Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, and here is the toll. And as soon as you cross this, you get our project Signature Global Dakshin. And you know what's the best thing is? Here you get a direct view of Aravali Hills. So I have shown you the 3D model, and now it's time for the actual sample flat. So yes, come with me because I'm going to show you the perfect sample flat of your dreams. This is the entrance to our sample flat. So as soon as I open it, you see this wonderful hall. This is the family lounge, and this is the dining area. So here is the first bedroom. You can come here and have a look of it. This is a perfect size bed along with a wardrobe provided here. At the same time, you are getting an attached balcony with the bedroom. Look at this view. Isn't it wonderful? Just opposite to this balcony, you are getting an attached washroom. This is the kitchen, a perfect kitchen which comes with the finest fittings here, and this is a perfect size modular kitchen. You can nicely take a look of it. And balcony, this is a common balcony which is attached with the first bedroom. Now let's go to the second bedroom. Okay, so this is our beautiful second bedroom. Look at this. The color combination, everything is so perfect. And this is the wardrobe. You can keep your belongings here. At the same time, in this room also, unlike the first one, you are also getting here, a beautiful balcony with a beautiful view. And again, unlike the first bedroom, here also you are getting another attached washroom. This is a common washroom which is linked with the hall area. You can go to washroom from here also, and another entry is from the bedroom itself. And next we have another room which I am going to show you. So this is a perfect 3 BHK builder floor. So yes, this is our third bedroom. Again, it's like wow, this feels so luxurious, so comfy, and yeah, this is really good. So this one also comes with a beautiful wardrobe with it, another attached balcony and washroom. So you can nicely take a view of this. This is really a good master place. I think this is the most perfect part of this 3 BHK builder floor, because look at this. This is quite spacious. You can come here, sit and enjoy your free time with your family and your kids and your friends, and this is a perfect size 3 BHK builder floor. There's a very special thing about this sample flat, that here that you are also getting a kids studying room. If you have kids with you, they can come here and spend their time reading books and doing their homework and what's not. So yeah, this was all about this beautiful sample flat. And again, I request you to come here and at least do a visit to it, because once you do a site visit, things will become more clear to you. Take a view of this beautiful dining room. Look at this. Like the marble, the chair, everything comes with the finest fittings and perfect material. And yes, you can come here and it can be a dream house you are searching for. So what are you waiting for? Call us right now on the number given below, so that our team can give assistance to you in finding your dream home. And now let me show you the perfect clubhouse you have been waiting for. Come with me. So now let me show you the clubhouse. So for all the clients and visitors, let me tell you, here you get a special treatment as well. So Signature provides you a beautiful golf cart as well, which will directly take you to the clubhouse. So yeah, let me enjoy this beautiful moment, and yeah, it's amazing, it's peaceful. So right now I'm here at the clubhouse. हम यहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं. So yes, let me take you to a tour of the clubhouse. I'm excited. Are you? Thank you. Welcome to the Signature Global Clubhouse. This is the ultimate luxury you are waiting for. Come with me, because I'm going to show you the most luxurious clubhouse you have ever seen. So this is the beautiful luxurious clubhouse where you get lots of amenities, more than you can think of. So yeah, let me show you one by one what's the amenities you are getting. Here you get a beautiful AV room, and let me show you what's inside this. This is the perfect place for your free time, and you can spend your time here to the fullest. And look at this place. Wow, isn't it wonderful? Come with me and let's see what's more here. Alongside of this AV room, you get this gym. Come with me. Here you get lots of dumbbell equipments as well. In this gym area, you are getting, a washroom and shower room as well. So this was all about this gym. You have seen the equipments; they are quite, good in condition. And let's see what's more. This is the center of this clubhouse, and this is the reception. Attached to this reception, you get these sitting area. If you are a guest or a client, you can come here. If you are someone who wants a tour of the clubhouse, you can just sit here, spend your time, drink some water, and have some snacks and enjoy this tour of clubhouse. You are also getting a dining area attached with the reception area. I think this is the corridor. Come with me. Let's see what's more. This is the kitchen, I think. Yes. Quite spacious, and it's designed to its fullest, and yeah, it's good. This is the lunch room. So here at the clubhouse, you are also provided with a wonderful lunch room. And this is also quite spacious. Lots of people can come and sit here and enjoy your snacks or anything. So this is the women's toilet, and just opposite to it, you are also getting a male toilet room as well. This is the service room in case of any emergency, or if you want any service request. So here in the clubhouse, Signature also provides you a service room where you can get easy access and request for your services. So in this specific area, you are getting lots of cupboards to keep your belongings, and you are also getting a changing room as well, which is also quite spacious, not bad. And yeah, it's good. So I'm here at the first floor of this amazing clubhouse. Let's come to the most amazing thing of this clubhouse. This is the gaming room, which I love. The gaming room. First of all, you get this amazing billiards and lots of indoor games as well. Here is the football world. I don't know the name exactly, but as mentioned here, this is a football world. And yeah, at the same time, here you are getting a carom board as well. Plus, you are also getting a chess board at the same time. So yeah, look at this. This is the chess. So if you're a game lover, you can come here in this room and enjoy your free time and play with these amazing games you're getting here at none other than the Signature Global. So this is a small pantry room, and you are also getting a yoga room as well. Wow. As soon as I entered this place, I can feel lots of positive vibes here. You can come here for your fitness, for your peace, and this is quite spacious as you can see. This is a storeroom. This is another storeroom. And this is again the washroom. So this is the kids' toilet, and you are also provided a kids' room as well. Look at this. Come here. Wow. This is the kids' room. It's quite spacious, wonderful, and small kids can come here and spend their free time and play here and do whatever they want to. So yeah, it's good. You can see this wall design. It's quite beautiful and peaceful as well. So yeah, I feel like काश मैं भी छोटी सी बच्ची होती मैं भी आती. But anyways, it was quite good. So now I'm here at the terrace of this clubhouse. Let me show you what view you get from here. So you can clearly see that the construction is going on. So as I've already told you in the introduction of this video, that this township is spread across 125 acres. So yeah, this is a wonderful place to invest, and You know, as you can see, like I have shown you everything. Like जितना मैं आपको इस वीडियो में दिखा सकती थी. I think I have covered the entire clubhouse almost. So here you get all kinds of amenities from yoga room to kids section to gymnasium, from everything. And you know already what's the best thing is the Aravali view, which you are getting directly from this clubhouse. Gurgaon has now become a very rushed area because lots of other developers are already there, and there is actually a huge traffic in Gurugram. And here at Signature Global, just alongside of this highway, of this Delhi Mumbai Expressway, you are getting this wonderful project by Signature Global spread across 125 acres. So yeah, this is the perfect opportunity for you because here you get all kinds of amenities, more than 30 plus amenities. So you can imagine what this project actually is. So I request you to take at least a visit here, because by visiting you can get a clear idea of Dakshin Gurugram's X Factor. So yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you like this video. और भी ऐसी बहुत सी detailed information है which I cannot cover in this short video. So yeah, if you are someone interested in this project, you can call us directly from the number given below in the description. Our team is waiting for you.